Start பண்ணதால. வணக்கம் சார்.
வணக்கம்மா.
My name is
Kishore.
As usual, I'm getting victimized.
As usual, because I am North Indian, and because of my fair complexion, South Indians are attacking me. It's a plea to get all support of North Indians to save me. I am facing lot of problems because of my fair complexion.
Okay.
Please save me.
Okay.
Let all the South Indians have to meet at Tamil Nadu, Kerala.
This fellow representing Kerala, this fellow representing Tamil Nadu, this fellow due to sites representing whole South India. See the problem, please,